Well, hey guys, Scott with BWSR Bushcraft here. Today, just do a short little video on something that I've had for a while. Just started really using it because garden season is right around the corner, and it is a back saver. It's called the Rolling Garden Sifter, and I'll tell you, this thing, it just sifts out the leaf mold and everything really quick. I've made the wooden frame and then the hardware cloth sifters. That just takes way too long. This model here I bought, it came with a, this is 1/2 inch, okay, screen, and then it has a screen that you kind of, big rubber band O-ring on the outside, and that's 1/4 inch. It's got the one with a lid, really helps everything. So as you can see, you just shovel it in, spin it around, and this is what it looks like for the 1/2 inch. There's a gal that makes these. I'm not getting paid to, do this video or anything, but for me, I mean, the time and the back that it saves, well worth the money. So I'll see about leaving a link below where you can go check it out. All right. I'm going to get back to sifting. What you see here, that's all in here, I did this in probably about 20-25 minutes, literally. Then what I'm going to do is I'll go back and I'm going to use the 1/4 inch because I want it really fine, because I'm going to be putting this in my contractor bag potato station. So, at any rate, guys, it's been Scott with BWSR Bushcraft. Till next time, pack light, pack tight, stay hydrated.